Just a little quick test to see how it looks with the machine running. So I'll turn it on. It's a little too slow there. Let's see. We'll speed it up. There we go. Let's change that. Now hit the same lever. And that's 1080 60p. Alright, this is a test. This is how the lighting is going to be all the time. We've got all the lights on. I'm going to have to set white balance for sure. It's on auto white balance right now. But I'll probably set it at like 4000K. But this is standing by the lathe. And there's the mill. And testing the zoom. And zoom works pretty good. You can see what I'm working on. So technically I could put the camera here, basically about the end of the mill, say whatever I'm going to say, and then when I work on the project I could zoom in on it. Not bad. And this does macro. So I'm about 4 inches from that little symbol. Like the chuck. I'm a lot closer. We're about 2.5 inches right here. Even closer there. Yeah, about 2.5. I don't think it'll zoom. Oh, it does. Well, a little bit. Not bad. So yeah, I can put this on the tripod, leave it about here. Somewhere here, or even put it at the end, and then I could always zoom in on what I'm working on. Yeah, I think this little camera will work out pretty good. You hear the cat?